USB microphone cables are used to turn a regular XLR microphone into a USB microphone that can be connected to your computer. In this video, we'll cover how to use a USB microphone cable and do a test of the audio quality from one of them. Before continuing, don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel to see all our new content. So let's start by looking at the packaging of this microphone cable before we go and unbox it. Around the packaging, we'll see a little bit of text, but there's some grammatical issues that kind of sketch me out about this product. It also says it's compatible with Windows 7. I don't know about you, but I've been using Windows 10 for about 5 years now, so this hasn't been updated recently. For them to not have tested this product or even just updated the packaging is an issue for me. When we open the box, we get a USB microphone cable inside and a piece of paper with some instructions and information on it. We have info that this is a 44.1 kHz 16-bit analog to digital cable and it's 20 feet long. Let's talk about the microphones that can be used with this. Since this cable cannot provide phantom power, it can only work with a dynamic microphone. That's something like the Shure SM58 that I'm using. You can get a condenser microphone to work, but by that point you'll need a phantom power supply or preamp, plus an additional XLR cable to connect it all. At that point, it's way cheaper to just buy a simple audio interface and you'll get much better quality audio results from that, as well as other features like an instrument input and headphone output. As an example of this, we'll compare the USB microphone cable in this review to a Behringer U-PHORIA UM2 audio interface. To get everything connected and working, we just plug one end of the cable into the microphone and the other into a USB port. Then the computer will automatically detect it as a microphone input. To get it to work in a digital audio workstation, we need to install ASIO for All as the driver, enable that as the audio driver, and open the configuration to set the audio input as the USB microphone cable. From there, we can record a track with it. For more details on using ASIO for All as the audio driver, check out our other video where we did a full tutorial on it. Now let's take a listen to the audio quality from this USB cable. This is a test of the USB microphone cable with the Shure SM58 dynamic microphone. The first thing I noticed when using this cable is the massive amount of noise that it creates. Immediately, I thought this was completely unacceptable for a microphone cable, so it's not even something that I would ever be able to use. Even noise reduction software would have a hard time cleaning up something this bad, and we shouldn't be starting our recordings with that much noise anyway. Something that I can't demonstrate on video is the amount of latency that this also creates, even though we're using an ASIO driver. I would expect very low latency with this driver, so it seems that it could be the cable itself that's causing the issue. For comparison of what a very cheap audio interface can do, here's the same microphone connected to the Behringer UM2 recorded at the same level. This is a test of the Behringer UM2 audio interface with the Shure SM58 dynamic microphone. With this recording, there's a lot less noise, and I also didn't have nearly the same latency issues with it. Audio interfaces also have the ability to adjust the level of the preamp for the microphone so you can adjust the level that it's recording at. There's no way to adjust the level of the USB microphone cable. For me, both the noise and the latency were huge issues, so I ended up returning this product, so I definitely can't recommend purchasing one. I was really hoping this microphone cable would turn out to be as good as the USB guitar cables I've used in the past, and those were definitely usable as a way to connect an electric guitar to an amp simulator on the computer. This, unfortunately, had way too many issues with it for it to be a good product. Thanks for checking out this video on USB microphone cables. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. You can also check the video description for products featured in this video and social media accounts.